Here's a simplified list of vocabulary related to the Northern Lights, along with explanations and meanings in simple English. Aurora Borealis. This is the scientific name for the Northern Lights. It refers to the colorful light display that appears in the sky, usually in the polar regions like Alaska or Scandinavia. Solar wind. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles, like tiny pieces, that come from the sun and blow towards the Earth. These particles interact with our planet's magnetic field, causing the northern lights. Magnetosphere. The Earth has a big, invisible magnetic bubble around it called the magnetosphere. It helps protect us from the sun's harmful radiation and plays a role in creating the northern lights. Ionosphere. The ionosphere is a part of the Earth's atmosphere that's high up. It's filled with charged particles. When the solar wind hits the ionosphere, it makes the particles light up, creating the northern lights. Corona. The corona is the outer layer of the sun's atmosphere. Sometimes big explosions on the sun, called solar flares, send a lot of energy into space. When this energy hits the Earth, it can make the northern lights brighter. Geomagnetic storm. A geomagnetic storm happens when there's a big disturbance in the Earth's magnetic field. These storms can make the northern lights even more spectacular, with colors dancing across the sky. Polar regions. These are the areas near the north and south poles of the Earth. The northern lights are often seen in the polar regions because that's where the Earth's magnetic field is the strongest. Folklore. Folklore refers to stories, myths, and traditions passed down from generation to generation. Many cultures have their own folklore about the northern lights, often believing they're caused by spirits dancing in the sky. Spectacular. If something is spectacular, it means it's really amazing and impressive. People often describe the northern lights as spectacular because of their breathtaking beauty. Tourism. Tourism is when people travel to different places for fun and adventure. Many people visit places like Alaska or Norway just to see the northern lights because they're so beautiful.